Welcome to Bake with Papa Enzo. Today I'm going to show you how I make one of my favorite breads, sourdough focaccia. Let's get started. We begin with 380 gram of water, 100 gram of active sourdough starter. Then mix until the starter is fully dissolved. Then add 500 gram of bread flour. Mix everything together until there are no dry spots left. At this stage, the dough will look like rugged and saggy, and that is completely normal. Now let the dough rest 30 minutes. This rest period called out rest. After 30 minutes, add the 10 gram of salt, 20 gram of olive oil. Mix until everything is fully incorporated. You will notice the dough become smoother and more elastic. To get more aromatic flavor, I just add some basil leaf onto the dough. The next step is stretch and fold. Every 30 minutes, gently stretch one side of the dough and fold it over itself. We will do this several times during the first 2 hours of fermentation. This is the first stretch and folding. With each fold, dough becomes stronger, smoother, and easy to handle. This is one of the secrets to achieving the light and airy focaccia. Second, stretch and folding. Now you can see the dough become smoother and stretchable. Gently cover the dough and keep rest for 30 minutes. After every 30 minutes, we give stretch and fold. This is third stretch and folding. After the final fold, let the dough continue to ferment until it becomes fluffy and shows visible sign of activity. It depends on your room temperature. After that, place the dough into the chiller overnight fermentation. The next day, oil the baking tray gently and transfer the dough into the baking tray. Don't be shy with the olive oil. It's what helps create that signature crispy bottom crust. Let the dough relax and spread naturally. If needed, gently stretch it through the corners. Once the dough is ready, apply the olive oil over the surface. Today I am going to add the toppings, cherry tomatoes, rosemary and some basil leaves. But you can add also olives, caramelized onion, roasted garlic, or depend on your favorite toppings. Then use your fingerprint to create the dimples all across the dough. Press all the way to down without tearing it. Those dimples help hold the olive oil and create the classic focaccia appearance. Now it's time to bake. Add some sea salt on top. Then place the tray into the preheated oven at 240 degrees Celsius. Bake about 20 to 25 minutes until the focaccia gives deep golden brown color. Once it's baked, remove from the oven and let it cool slightly before slicing. Wow, look at how beautiful it is. Listen to that crust, crispy on outside, soft and airy inside. This is what sourdough focaccia is so special. Simple ingredients, patience, and the time create something truly amazing. Thank you for being with me today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe and follow the Bake with Papa Enzo. See you on next video. Have a wonderful day.